You're new to growing okra and you're wondering, hey, what do I do when these pods get way too big like this? Like, look at that pod right there, or back there. These pods are too big to cook with because once they get big, they get fibrous, very fibrous. So what do you do with them? Well, in this video, let's talk about saving your seeds to keep money in your pocket. Okay, okra is one of those vegetables that I absolutely love growing. Main reason because there are so many different types of okra and they're so fun to grow. They're easy to grow, they're drought resistant, they don't need a ton of water, and they grow incredibly fast. But there is the problem, they grow incredibly fast. And anyone who's ever grown okra knows that as soon as they start putting pods on, y'all, it doesn't take very long for them to go from this to this. Now, just here in my garden alone, I have 6 or 7 different types of okra growing, and it's too much to be out here constantly harvesting all the time. But I do love to can, and canning okra is a fantastic way to utilize this vegetable. Besides gumbos and stews and things of that nature, or okra soup, canning is a lot of fun, but you need them when they're small. So again, what do we do when they get really big? Well, you got 3 options. Throw them away, but why would you do that? 2, you can actually take the seeds out while they're still fresh and put them in stews, gumbos, soups. Give that little bit of an okra flavor and a little bit of crunch because the seeds are crunchy. Now, my advice on that, if you're gonna do that, microwave those seeds for 20 to 40 seconds, get them soft, and then put them in your stews or soup. What's the other application? Well, save your seeds, y'all. Keep that money in your pocket. But how do you save the seeds, you're asking? Really easy. Definitely don't do this way right here, where I decided to experiment and I took the seeds out of fresh pods, set them on a napkin like you would with cucumber seeds or beans and things of that nature, and you can see what happened. They shrunk up and they will not grow. Now, I tried planting 4 of those seeds 10 or 12 days ago, and they didn't do anything. So if you do it this way, this is not going to work. What you want to do is save your seeds inside the pods, just like nature does. So right here, as you can see, we're out here in my garden, and nature is saving those seeds right there in these pods. They're drying out the pods, saving the seeds inside. In about another week, these will be completely hard, dried out totally, and the seeds are completely safe inside. What if you don't want nature to save the seeds for you? Maybe you need to utilize this area and you don't have time for the okra pods to dry out. Well, take them inside, y'all. What I do is I put them on a table, which I'm showing right here. I organize them so you keep track of which okra pods are what, because some of them can look very, very, very much the same. And I dry them out inside, and as you can see right there, that pod is drying out perfectly inside. And the seeds for these okra right here, I actually found at the top of a closet after having saved those seeds for 2 years inside the pod. Planted them about 7 weeks ago, 8 weeks ago, and check that out, they're growing really good. Now, again, what is the benefit of saving your seeds? Twofold, in my opinion. 1, you're saving money in your pocket. You're not having to buy more seeds and go through all of that. 2, you can share your seeds with other growers. So with the seeds that are on that table, I'm actually saving those seeds and drying them out, 1, for me, and 2, I'm going to send a bunch of seeds to friends around the country so they can grow different types of okra also, which I think is a fantastic idea and a way to really bring together the community of gardeners that, if you're watching this video, you're a part of. So growing okra is really easy. Saving the seeds is actually even easier. You can just let nature do it, or you can do it inside and get a jump start on your next year's crops of okra. And that is your Tuesday growing tip of the week. All right, everyone, if you enjoyed this video, if you got something out of it, if you learned anything from it, do me the 3 favors: share, like, and subscribe to this channel if you've not done so already. I would love to have all of you who have not subscribed join this fast-growing community of like-minded gardeners here on YouTube. Everyone, take care, God bless, continue to shine bright, harvest hard, save your okra seeds, share them, and keep more money in your pocket. Talk to you again real soon.